Blue is one of the primary colors, and it is one of the most favorite by many people around the world. But why is the color blue so rare in nature? The color blue is rare in nature because there are only a few organisms who can create true blue pigment. Most blue organisms in nature actually use the light to appear blue. In this case, blue is the color of the light and it doesn't absorb but reflects. The most common plant pigment is green, because chlorophyll doesn't absorb, but reflects green light. Actually, less than 10% of the 280,000 species of flowering plants produce blue flowers. Let's find out why. What makes the color blue so rare in nature? Almost everyone across the globe would agree that blue is a superior color, regardless of its shade. Blue, just like in most of our synthetic things, is also prominent in our natural environment. It is the color of the skies and the oceans. We frequently see this color everywhere, and it undoubtedly can captivate our attention as it is a refreshing visual appearance. However, unlike its popularity among human beings, the color blue in nature is rarely to be found. It is rare to witness this on living organisms in our environment, especially in the plant kingdom. It is ironic how blue can be so influential on Earth, and yet it is almost as never to be seen in the natural environment that we have. The color blue is so rare in our environment because most of the plants and animals contain pigments that can change the wavelength of light to make it appear blue. These are not true blue pigments. The only animal known to men that can make blue pigments is the Abrina olivewing butterfly. Perhaps, seeing a true blue living organism is one of the most astonishing encounters you could ever have. Considering it is so unusual, you can only wish for luck to see one. People might think that blue is a natural color for flowers. However, this is not true. Most of the blue flowers produced today are only a product of artificial processes that are usually done by florists. It is to supply a flower shop with a variety of options. Many also thought the butterflies are mostly blue, since it is generally portrayed on television, especially in a cartoon. Just like in flowers, this is not entirely true. Stop, stop, stop. Don't forget to subscribe and to smash the like button. The truth is, blue is exceptional. There is a slim chance that you could witness this on plants, or even in animals. And when you surprisingly have the chance to see one, you will feel lucky because not everyone is allowed to see true blue pigments. The world of blue organisms. Achieving a color blue in nature is a hard task. Not every living organism can have this ability. However, it is hard to accept this because nature needs variety. For flowering plants, having different colored petals can help to attract a unique pollinator. Recent studies have shown that color preferences of pollinating bees have influenced the diversity of flowers we see in our environment today. It includes the color blue. Being stagnant is boring. There needs to be a variation, even in nature. It is why green as the main color of our landscape can be very suffocating at times. And that is why nature will find its ways to trick the human eye into seeing all kinds of different colors. Since blue is a very rare color in nature, you must make the most out of it when you see it. You will never know if you can find a true blue organism ever again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to smash the like button.